Okay, Mr. Trujillo, good to hear from you. Hope things in the Dominican Republic are going well. You're asking about the copper nuts that secure the intake and exhaust manifold. There's one that you can see pretty clearly. The others are hidden down there, and you can see it down there. And you're asking about getting a socket on there. Well, I like this snap-on 1/4 inch 3/8 drive, 14 millimeter, and as Steve has pointed out, make sure you're using the correct nuts. Although it's a 10 millimeter thread, the cross section of the nut, the special nut, is only 14 millimeter, and that's what allows you to get in there. And so 14 millimeter, and also you can use a 1/4 inch drive, 14, which is pretty thin as well. Sometimes you may not have enough depth here for the stud that comes sticking out, but this one should do the job just fine. I'll show you. Not easy necessarily, but it will go up inside there. And see if I can get on camera there. And there is the socket. Can get the universal in the right exact spot. And there's the socket goes on. So now we can get inside there and loosen or tighten. Obviously you can see I've got the airlock off. It's the only way you can do it. Same thing over here. See if we can get down inside here. It's hard to do one-handed. Set this down. I think you can rest the phone right there. Look at that. I'll rest the phone right there. Get my other hand down here so I can line up the socket. I'm running out of room on the extension. I need a longer extension. Needed about 3 inches extra on the extension. So now, got the extension, and I can get that up in place there, just like that. That's all I needed was an extra length on the extension. But it is possible to get underneath there. Again, got to have your airlock off, and make sure you're using the correct nuts. And these are your 2 choices on sockets. Good luck. Let me know if that helps.